Hello friends, how are you doing? Good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. Another 31,000 naira made from Tradeunos is what I want to share with you today. I'll be showing you my withdrawal proof. I'll be showing you the step by step on how I made this in Tradeunos. Start making money online daily now. It is very important for you to have multiple sources of income. You shouldn't rely on that your only source of income because of the daily increment in the financial responsibility of everybody and due to the inflation of things around us. So I think it necessitates the need for diversification of your income. So you need to have many ways whereby you can generate passive income, and this is one of the ways whereby I can show you, but this is entirely online. So you can make money online. Don't be discouraged based on your previous experience with online investments. Maybe you might have been defrauded of your investment in the past. That doesn't stop you from trying again. Okay, you shouldn't concede defeat. It's not a sin to fall, but it's a sin to remain falling. So I will be showing you how I made this 31,000 rand, that is approximately $56 from Tradeunos today. Okay, but before I continue with this video, firstly, I welcome you to this channel. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. So this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. This channel is mainly for financial education. So I am bringing to your doorstep financial education at its peak. Alright, if you are new on this channel, try as much as possible to subscribe now and click on the notification bell. Set it to all notification for you to be continually aware or notified whenever I drop another financial educational video like this. Okay, and if after this video you found it to be very meaningful to you, useful and helpful, then don't hesitate to like this video and share with your friends and family so that they too can be financially free, because without information there is no positive transformation. Okay, and this channel is also created to warn you of some scammers, to warn you of fraudulent online investments, so that I will review it for you not to venture into such and lose your money at the end of the day. Okay, if you have any question concerning this video or any of the content on LASOJENIC BIZZTALK, then you can contact me through this email address, my phone number. You can call me on phone, then you can chat me up on WhatsApp, and also don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as I will be making announcements on some ways whereby you can make money online legitimately. Okay, once again, what we are considering today is how I made another 31,000 naira, approximately $56 from Tradeunos, and start making money online now. Okay, quickly let me take you to the dashboard. So you can see all I've made so far in this business is, all I've withdrawn rather so far in this online platform is $203. So let me show you my last withdrawal log. Okay, sorry. So I want to show you my last withdrawal. You can see October 2nd 2021, and it was approved. That was $56. So let me now show you the payments in my email. Let me show you when it's dropped in my email. So okay, here it is. All right, as you can see, withdrawal of $56 successful. So what I got is $51 because $4.48 was deducted as the charge. So I made $51.52 and you can see, let me show you the receipt from Binance itself. You can see deposit confirmed. So you receive 0.0010633 Bitcoin in your Binance account. So this is my withdrawal proof. This is my withdrawal proof. So this is one of the ways whereby I am making money online for myself. And this channel is saddled with the responsibility of sharing with you how you too can make money online for yourself. All right, so let me go back to the dashboard. Let me go back to the dashboard and show you how it's being done. So according to what I told you earlier, this is all I've withdrawn so far in this business, and I still have another trading, another investment that is ongoing. So now let me quickly explain how it works. Okay, so the name of the platform is Tradeunos. The name of the platform in Tradeunos, they are like an intermediary between you and the forex platform, because they trade forex, they trade gold, they trade crude oil and cryptocurrency. And for you to trade forex, you need to have the technical know-how. Forex can make you millions of dollars in a day, and you can also lose everything that you have labored for your lifetime in a day as well. So you just need to leverage on experts. You need to leverage on professional in this field for you to be safe, for you to be on the safer side, so that you can make profit and you can avoid the risk of losing your money when you decide to trade on your own. So that is what Tradeunos is doing on behalf of our investors. So there are several investment plans that you can go for based on your financial strengths. So we have gold, there is crude oil, there is forex, there is cryptocurrency, and another one was recently introduced, which was Omega. That was what I showed you on my dashboard earlier, and I will still go back to it before I end today's video. So now in forex, you made the minimum investment is 200, while the maximum is 4,999, and the duration is 90 days. And after this 90 days, you earn 1.5 times of your investments. So if you should invest $200 after 90 days, your $200 would have given you $300, including the capital. So you earn 1.66% daily. And for gold, you earn 3.5 times of your investment, and this is between 5,000 and 24,999, and this lasts for 180 days. For crude oil, the duration is 90 days, like that of forex, and you earn 2 times of your investment, and you earn 2.2% daily. The investment is between $25,000 and $49,999. And the last one is cryptocurrency. The duration here is 180 days, and it yields 4.5 times of what you have invested, and you earn 2.5% daily, and the minimum investment is 50,000 USD and the maximum is 500,000 US dollar. So aside this, you are going to enjoy referral income and binary income, provided you share this opportunity with your friends and family. But that one is not necessary. It's not compulsory for you to refer. Without referring, you make your money on daily basis. So this is how it goes, and you can withdraw whenever you have you can withdraw whenever you have the minimum withdrawal, and on the withdrawal day. Okay, so this is how I have been making money for myself online. So this is how I've been making money for myself. Okay, so these are the breakdown. So if you should invest 200 in forex, the ROI is 150. That is 150%, and after 90 days you earn $300. So this is how it has been broken down. All right, so that is all about Tradeunos, and it has been proven to be a legit way whereby you can make money online. So if after you have watched this video and you feel it is what you can give a try, so just check the description box of this video, as I will be dropping some link for you to get registered
and join my team so that you can earn faster. This is where I'll be stopping for today. Don't forget, it is very, very important for you to join it, for you to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell, turn it to all notification for you to be continually aware of the next update. And don't forget to like this video and share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and it is also very important for you to join our Telegram channel for you not to miss out on any of our frequent updates. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye for now.